Hi, welcome to my channel. You're here with Kika Kathy. So today is gonna be our review day. So LiveGlam Shadow Me. I did the 6 months one. This is like every 2 months, I believe, that they have eyeshadow palettes that they give you. I don't really remember how much I paid, but I know it's like $50 something. As you can see, it's a little fancy right here. It comes with like a foam cover, so that's really good because it's pretty secured. And if you look at that sparkly, it's like beads on it. It's very fancy. It's a Glamour LiveGlam eyeshadow palette. So they do give you this as well, the card, and that's gonna be the colors. It's pretty, right? And that's what I have on my eyes. So I tried this already. So I love this one. You all know that already, that I love mirrors on my eyeshadow palettes. So every time I do an eye look, you know, you can always just stare at it and look at the colors rather than you grabbing a mirror and then do your eye makeup look. So there is 10 shades in here. 7 of them are mattes and 3 of them are metallic shimmers. Let's do some swatches. The metallic first. This is the Glam. That's very pigmented and it's soft too when you rub your fingers on it. This Kiss Me. This one is LiveGlam Femme, which is the one on my eyelid, and that's the one that's actually pink. Pretty, huh? So are the 3 metallics. New You, New Month, Live. They kind of look like my skin. Amazing. Oh, I love the yellow shade on this. This is the Lights, Camera, and lastly, Action. Oh, there's all of it, and the metallic shades. So I mean, there's only 10, but look, it's very pigmented. You can see on my eyes. This is the second look I did because I wanted to try it. I worked 12 hours shift, so this makeup has been here for 15 hours. It survives. You have an oily eyelid, sometimes it will move like right here, but all you have to do is just spread it with your finger and then it will be okay. It was mostly the metallic that will do that, but the matte will stay very pretty and vibrant throughout that 16-hour day. I'm thinking about unsubscribing to this. It's just a subscription box basically, and I'm paying like $50 for 3 eyeshadow palettes. Don't think it's that worth it. I mean, come on, this is very glamorous. The packaging itself is very freaking nice, but think that there's only an eyeshadow palette and I'm paying like $50 for 3. I mean, that's still a little cheap if you think about it, because it's like $15 to $17 for each one. But if I'm being truthful, I'd rather do the BoxyCharm or the Ipsy. It's kind of a lot of difference because this is 3 and it's 50 something. Charm is what, $25, but you do get different products. Products actually can go more than $100, and this one is just 1. I don't know, I'm still debating about it because they offer like the pause if you want to skip a month or keep on skipping without cancellation, you know. So we'll see what palette you're gonna get for the next month. We'll give you that day, show you what they're gonna have the next month, and so if you like it, you can go ahead and keep your subscription or you can skip a subscription. So that's why I'm still debating if I want to cancel, because technically I can just skip. What if the next palette is the palette color, like the eyeshadow colors that I want? So I might just skip it. What do you think? If you're gonna get a makeup subscription and pay $50 for 3 eyeshadow palettes, would you get it? Anyways, that's it for me today. I hope this kind of helps. If you want this subscription box, I will link below my code. It's not a discount code, guys. You can use my link if you want to get this subscription. I do get points. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I'm just telling you that it's available for you. I hope you give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Salamat. Babush.